So hello again everyone and welcome to this part of the video series. This is the GATE 2021 marks question solutions of organic chemistry part. So let us see the first question. So they have given us a transformation and they're asking us the suitable reagent for it. Here are the options that has been given in the question paper. So as we can see from the options and the transformation that we see is that this is like this H2PDC is basically hydrogenation. So this actually hydrogenates, reduces alkenes or olefin type bonds, unsaturated bonds. So this can't be here because the unsaturation is intact. Second option is actually basically Wolff-Kishner reduction. So Wolff-Kishner reduction is carbonyl to CH2 functionality. So here also this is not happening. So this is also not that. Li liquid NH3 is Birch reduction, which is alkyne to transalkene reduction, and this is also a hydrogenation type reaction. So this is also not that. But NaBH for CaCl3.7H2O, that is sodium borohydride and sodium chloride, is actually the Lucci reduction reagent. And this Lucci reduction is the reaction that is happening, and this is the reagent that is our answer. So if you want the details for the Lucci reduction mechanism, please follow the Lucci reduction video that is in my channel. And it is the Lucci reduction is a name reaction that I have covered. And yeah, so the link, I will provide the link of that particular video in the description of this video. Yeah. Okay. So going to the next question, the second question, we can see that they have asked us the major product in a reaction that has been given. And so they have provided us with a reagent which is actually a benzene moiety, in which there are three substitutions, that is there is methyl, ethyl and methoxy group. And the first reagent is the Birch reduction reagent, which is the lithium says liquor NH3 with T-butanol. And the second reagent is ozonolysis reaction. So that is O3 1 equivalent and methanol and Me2S. So as I said, so let us go ahead with the mechanism that is going to happen here. So as OMe is an electron donating group, where EDG denotes the electron donating group, so we understand that the Birch reduction, the negative charges would actually be stable in the positions ortho to OMe and ortho to ethyl and methyl. So as you can see that in Birch reduction, the negative charges would be stable in those particular positions, and hence the protonation would also happen in those particular positions. So this is the stable, the anionic or the dianionic part that is going to form by the donation of electrons from lithium. So hence the first step is basically the Birch reduction. And as we can see that in the Birch reduction, the lithium actually provides electrons which yields the anions, and then they get protonated by the liquor NH3, that is the liquor ammonia and the tertiary butanol or the alcohol that is present. So this alcohol and the ammonia can act actually as proton donors to those negative particular charges, and they donate these 4 protons on those particular carbons, the carbon ions. In the second step, ozonolysis is happening. So there is one thing to notice here. So there are like 2 C double bond C. So as we know that oxygen is added in those 2 C double bond C in the ozonolysis reaction. But here the important part to understand is that the ozone is given only 1 equivalent. So only 1 double bond would actually be oxidized. So only 1 double bond will actually form the C double bond O. Now the first double bond with OMe is actually forming C double bond O because it actually yields the ester. So the COMe is formed if that double bond is used. So as you can see, this is the product of the reaction, and the product is basically the cis alkene, as we can see. And yeah, so thank you, and please practice hard and write organic chemistry reaction.